Hello, welcome back to Uptake Online. Today we are going to look at how you use any icon in your Power BI KPIs. So first of all, what happens is using these icons mostly on the condition formatting. If you have used condition formatting with KPIs, that in case I change any KPI to, let's say, negative, it automatically changes the KPI and the icon itself. So how do we do this? How do we change and customize to these icons? Stay tuned up to the end of this video. Thanks to Nicholas Lee, I will tag him on the description below, who had this post on LinkedIn, and go there and visit his LinkedIn and YouTube videos. So how do we do this? First of all, I will need to first take you through we get the icons. So how do we get the icons? You use flat icons, free. So you can search for any icon and download them to your desktop. Then we are going to use the code image, the CodeBeautify.org, which converts our images to base 64. And stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell such that you can receive videos like this. So first of all, the major thing is, how do we use the different icons? So I have different icons here downloaded. I'm going to use let's download one icon. I will download the X. Go ahead and download this. I always copy the link such that I can gain attribute. This is the delete icon. I'll save. We are going to use this and these two icons. So how do we change this? This is a normal card. I remove the title. You remove the call out value. All the references. The only thing we remain with is the image. You change this image to URL. So I'm going to take you through how we change this icon to URL. Then you can apply it anywhere in your KPIs. So how do we do this? First, we are going to create a new icon. That is the down icon. So I already had this where we use the data image PNG base code. Then this is the conversion of the base 64. We convert that image and you copy the whole URL here. So we're going to do the same. So come here, create a new measure. So as we create a new measure, let's go to the converter, our image to base 64 converter. Upload your image. So I will upload my image. So I will start with just to view these in icons, I will start with a delete. We shall take it with a negative or no improvement. So click on that. So the moment you upload it, it automatically converts into 3 categories. The base 64 string. For us, we are going to take the HTML. So you're going to copy everything from here up to where the tag closes. So I'll copy everything from there up to where the tag closes, copy that. So bring this in Power BI. We are creating a measure. This measure is going to be, I will call it negative, which is equal to open quotes and close, double quotes. Then paste our code there. So this is it. Go ahead and accept the measure and make sure that this measure is changed into an image URL. So let's go ahead and create another one, a positive one, which is going to be, we upload a new one, and this time I'm uploading a tick. So I'll go with a check, that is a green check. Upload it. The moment you upload it, it converts. Still, we do the same. You copy up to where the tag closes from. Here, copy that. Take this to create a new measure. This measure, I'll call it positive. which is equal to double quotes. Make sure that that URL is in quotes. Paste the whole URL without editing anything, otherwise it will break. Go ahead and accept the measure. So we have two measures now, positive and negative. We'll also change this to image URL, which means if I come back to my KPIs, so this is the KPI I'm changing. I said that we checked off everything. It is the normal card, but you check off everything. I'll take you in the next video how we create the whole of this KPI. We can change our icons. So where do we change our icons? We can start with the Excel. So the Excel subscriber icon, which is this. So when we come to the Excel subscriber icon, so if the percentage is less than 0, so instead of down arrow this time, we are going to use the negative, and here instead of the up arrow, I'm going to use the positive. So the moment I enter this, it will automatically change, and it means now this time if I go back to the Excel and I change this to positive, it will automatically adjust. So guys, go ahead and subscribe, and please leave your comment. I'll be posting a video on how we create a full KPI, and stay tuned. Bye bye.